¿Todos bien?
As part of our project, we did outreach activities. The first was to host a short course at the University of Costa Rica on NCAR's community hydrological model. Costa Rica has a lot of hydropower, and this type of model is of great interest to them. And then the students, of course, it's of great value for future water managers or students studying the hydrometeorology in Costa Rica.
La visita a las escuelas de primaria, principalmente en una zona alejada, es muy importante. Tienen un acceso muy limitado al arte, por ejemplo, a la ciencia, a la ingeniería. Entonces, que OTREC lleve lo que se está haciendo con toda la tecnología, los instrumentos de medición, la ciencia, a la escuela, le provee a los niños perspectiva. Y la perspectiva lo que hace es crecer su mente.
In Nuquí, that's a very isolated place, and there was only one school. We wanted to make sure that the people in the town understand the activity, and we managed to reach out to at least 200 students. They participated in launching the balloon, they asked questions about the type of observations we are gathering and why. Triggering inside those kids the idea of observing the environment was very key for us.
El objetivo principal del Open House es interactuar con ellos, los investigadores, con los estudiantes de universidad o de secundaria, y poderles contarles qué hacemos, qué es el proyecto OTREC y cuál es nuestro objetivo, y responder todas las inquietudes que ellos tienen. Ellos pueden subir al avión, pueden ver los instrumentos.
What's most interesting to me is seeing what science looks like from a Costa Rican perspective. They have very different weather, they have different concerns about the natural environment that they're in. And it's fun to see how this plays out with the general public. Coming to an open house, being able to present in an open house, seeing the children come with their parents, seeing the enthusiasm that kids have for actually going into an airplane. I find that exciting.
People make decisions about what they want to do in life very early, starting with elementary school students and following through to high school and then college level is really important, just to increase the level of enthusiasm for science. And that's really what we're trying to do with outreach.